Assalamualaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am your computer teacher. This is your next assignment of computer class 5, month of September, chapter 4, formatting in MS Word 2010. Students, I explained the all chapter in last videos and I gave you work, fill in the blanks, true and false, and choose the correct answer. Now again I repeated what I explained in last videos. First I am explaining what is formatting. Formatting means changing and arranging the appearance of the text in a document to make it attractive in the world document. You can change the design, size, color of a letter, number or symbols. Then I explain the features of Microsoft Word Ribbon. Formatting text using the font group on the home tab, modifying font and font size, changing text cause, font color, text effect, text highlight color, remove text effect, copying formatting, bold, italic and underline. Then I explained superscript and subscript, bullets and number, creating list with numbers, creating list with bullets, alignment text. I explained the all chapter, all headings explained in last videos. So students, now move to your work. Exercise A, question number 1. First you write your heading in your page, exercise A, and mention your date. Draw a margin. Neat and writing should be neat and clean. Give the one finger gap. So students, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आप राइट करेंगे ब्लैक पेन से और आंसर आप राइट करेंगे ब्लू पेन से. क्वेश्चन 1, नेम NAME नेम, द THE द, टाइप्स TYPES टाइप्स, ऑफ टैक्स OF ऑफ, TEXT text, effects EFFECTS effects. Name the types of the effects. Answer: text effects, TEXT text effects, EFFECTS effects are glow, ARER GLOW glow, reflection, REFLECTION reflection, and shadow, SHADOW shadow. Text effect are glow, reflection, shadow. Question number 2. How do you, HOW how, DO do, YOU how do you, remove, REMOVE remove, any formatting, ANY any, formatting, FORMATTING formatting, style, STYLE style, INN MS word, WORD word. Question mark. How do you remove any formatting style in MS Word? Answer: text effects, TEXT text effects, EFFECTS effects, can be can BEB removed, REMOVED removed, by by applying, APPLY ing, applying the the following 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 steps STEPS steps. Text effects can be removed by applying the following steps. A. Select the text SELECT. Select the text text. B. On HOME home tab tab. In the in the font group font group group, click click clear clear formatting formatting formatting. Select the text on home tab in the font group, click clear formatting. Question number 3. What is bold? WHAT what? IS BOLD bold. Italics ITALICS italics. And underline 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 question mark. What is bold, italic and underline? Answer is text text text. IS MADE mad. BOLD bold. TO2 make MAKE make. IT8 appear 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 darker. DARKER darker. Then THAN then. The the normal text NORMAL normal text TEXT text. Text can TEXT text can can also 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 BEB italicized ITALICIZED italicized. To make TO2 make MAKE make. IT8 appear 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 slanted SLANTED slanted. Underlining UNDERLINING underlining. The the text 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 puts 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 a line ARLINE line. Blow BELOW blow it IT. Text is made bold to make it appear darker than the normal text. Text can also be italicized to make it appear slanted. Underlining the text puts a line below it. Question number 4. What is WHAT what? IS the the difference between DIFFERENCE difference between BETWEEN difference between superscript SUPER super SCRIPT superscript and subscript SUB sub SCRIPT subscript. Answer is the character the CHARACTER character slightly SLIGHTLY slightly. Blow BELOW blow. The the normal NORMAL normal. Text 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 is IS called 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 Subscript. SUB sub. SCRIPT. Subscript. The character. THE the character. CHARACTER character. Slightly. SLIGHTLY slightly. Above. ABOVE above. The normal. THE the. NORMAL normal. Text. TEXT text is called ISSCALLED called superscript. SUPER super. SCRIPT superscript. Answer is the character slightly below the normal text is called subscript. The character slightly above the normal text is called superscript. Now move to question number 5. Write steps. WRITE write. Steps. STEPS steps. TO2 add. ADD add. Bullets. BULLETS bullets. 2 TO2 list. LIST list. Answer is select. SELECT select. The list. THE the. LIST list. Click on. CLICK click. on drop. DROP drop. DOWN down drop down. Arrow. ARROW arrow. OF off. THE the bullets. BULLETS bullets. Command. COMMAND command. Click on drop down arrow of the bullets command. Third one is choose the types. CHOOSE choose. THE the types. TYPE type. OF bullet. BULLET bullet. You want. YOU want. WANT want. First you select the list. Click on drop down